In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become QuickBooks certified. To start this exciting journey, you'll first need to visit the QuickBooks website. So, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks site. Once you're there, look for the training section, which will be your gateway to acquiring the skills and certification you need. Now, it's time to click on Certification and Training. This area is specifically tailored for those eager to demonstrate their proficiency in QuickBooks and to earn an official certification that speaks volumes about your dedication and expertise. As you click on this option, you'll be taken to a page that outlines everything you need to get started with your certification process. The next step is crucial, so listen closely. You'll need to click on the option that says Sign in and Get Started. If you don't have an account, this might be a good time to create one, ensuring that all your progress is tracked and your certification journey is smooth. Once you're signed in, everything is at your fingertips. You're now set to select Take Exam. This is where the real challenge and learning begin. It's important to remember that you have 3 attempts to pass this exam. This feature ensures you have multiple opportunities to showcase your ability while learning from any mistakes you might make along the way. The exam itself is divided into a set of 7 multiple-choice sections. For each of these sections, you're encouraged to check your work before submitting. This little bit of vigilance can be the difference between having to retake a section or passing smoothly. Once you're satisfied with your answers, you'll submit all sections for grading at once. Achieving certification requires you to pass each section with at least an 80% score, so it's vital to prepare thoroughly and approach each question with care. If you find that you didn't pass a section, don't worry. You're allowed to retake only those sections you didn't pass, which saves you time and effort since you won't need to start from scratch. And there you have it. By following these steps diligently, you're on your way to becoming QuickBooks certified. This certification is not just a piece of paper, it represents your dedication and expertise, positioning you as a valuable professional in your field. Take your time, use all available resources, and remember to review and prepare thoroughly. Good luck on your certification journey.